everyone, the roads here suck here with a girlfriend unit who's sitting next to me.
I feel nauseous.
Today we're going to be installing the Christmas mod in the Chrysler 300. But before we do that, we figured we might as well stop along the way, throw some, clothes into the clothing donation bin. I'm not really a fan of the clothing donation bins. Yeah. I'm not really a fan of the clothing donation bins because I believe they're owned by like McDonald's.
What?
Yeah, and they basically take these things and they basically run them through, washing machines, and then they sell them. So they don't donate them, they sell them. They sell them for very cheap though, but they still make a profit off of it.
I thought they were Salvation Army bins.
I don't think so.
Either way, the Salvation Army sucks. So you need to explain why the Salvation Army sucks.
Yeah, you're sure, you do that.
Just people walking by. So in theory, what they do is good, but the thing is they donate a lot to anti-LGBT groups, and they, from what I know, last time I checked, they support conversion therapy, and there's been a lot of reports of homeless people getting thrown out of their shelters and this and that, and basically they treat people like shit, the people that rely on their help. So I don't donate to the Salvation Army. Whenever I see somebody with the red bucket and the bell, unfortunately I just walk right past. I feel bad for them though, because it's cold outside. I wonder how much they get paid.
For the Salvation people, dude?
No, the bell ringing people.
Oh, I don't
Probably
know.
more than me.
Probably nothing. These clothing donation bins, they're owned by corporations like McDonald's who take all these free clothes, launder them, like get them clean, that is, and then sell them for launder them, get them clean, and sell them for a profit. It's a big operation, so obviously they have to make some money off of it.
Illuminati.
But I'm hopeful that the clothes that are donated are going to be cheap enough so that somebody who needs them will buy them. But yeah, like if you, for example, donate jeans with holes in them, they're gonna just throw them out instead of donate them. But if you think about it, if you donate it to a church, like let's say, I don't know, this random church right here, it's probably some sort of like Lutheran church or something.
Hey, you got something against Lutherans?
Yeah.
It is a Lutheran church. Oh my God.
It's evangelical.
No. Yeah, that's still, it said evangelical Lutheran. That's the same thing.
I don't know how the protesters' religion works. I'm just kidding.
Fucking Catholics, man.
Hey.
I think they're better than the rest of us.
Fucking papists. Yeah.
At least I'm allowed to divorce people.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Okay. But yeah, as far as the church goes, I would donate it to the church, and I would hope that they would give it to somebody for free. But the problem is that unless they're doing a specific event, these things cost money to do, like washing the clothes, getting it somewhere. So that's why, even though these bins...
Well, they ask you to wash clothes before you drop them off.
Yeah, but the idea is I just drop it off and forget about it. All of these corporations are making some slight profit. They're probably taking these clothes, laundering them, delivering them, and, selling them cheap enough so that somebody could probably buy a shirt for, I don't know, $3 or $4, let's just say. So there's that. So, winter closet cleaning was done. Now we're going to Giant to buy the Christmas mod for the Chrysler 300, and we're going to install it and have ourselves a happy merry day.
Growing up with a family who did foster care, we'd have to buy kids new clothes, like I was talking to you about earlier. We'd get kids, hello, person. We'd get kids like days before Christmas, or just like we have gotten so many placements in the middle of the night that we have to go out and buy them pajamas. Like we have to run to Walmart just to get them pajamas for the night. And when we have to go out and get these kids' entire wardrobes because they have nothing, resale shops are a really good place because it's cheaper, and 9 times out of 10, the clothes are in decent shape. Yeah, they're a little bit older, but they're decent. But then I know, like, the idea of having, like, secondhand clothes. Some people are, I hate that whole idea. Like, I grew up on hand-me-downs. I always had hand-me-downs from people. I actually used to think they were called handy-downs because I was a smart kid. But it was the kind of thing, I was lucky enough that my parents could afford to buy a few of the trendy things, like when the pink drawstring bags were like such a thing. I had one of those. I mean, granted it was a present, but I still had one. So even though I had a lot of hand-me-downs, I wasn't completely out of the popular clothing trend thing, and it's kind of frustrating to think about.
Mm-hmm.
So I should probably stop ranting so we can go inside.
No, go ahead. There's some old bitch trying to get out. Oh my god, old lady, do you need help getting out? She's still trying. 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 If you ignore my car, my Christmas spirit is going to evaporate very quickly.
Best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear.
Two different things. All right, let's get to work here.
That was my Mariah Carey impression.
Nice. Are you rolling?
I don't know. Is your car rolling?
Ooh.
Savage.
Come on, you old fuck, let's go!
Yeah! I'm driving here!
Some grandma ass whore with the cigarette in a car with closed windows. Okay.
I think you just described yourself.
Grandma ass whore.
Yeah, with a cigarette in her mouth.
I have a hole in my
Ooh,
throat.
ooh, look, 20 points. 20 points.
Hit him?
Yeah.
Nacho.
No?
I thought that was like a candy cane. I was like, that's pretty dope, but no. Anyways, for $14, we have
You
our
said it was 13.
13.77.
Woo!
So for $14, we have our victim.
Ooh.
It is a live green thingy. The plan
It's
is
Kermit the Frog.
what's slender and green and smells like ham.
Kermit the Frog's fingers.
There you go. Just up there. Great.
It really bothers me that you can't grill steaks on the grill of your car. When are they going to invent that?
It's called a radiator. I don't know. I knew a bunch of EMTs who would take their Subway sandwiches and whenever they would get a call, they'd like drop it in the engine bay of a running ambulance
Oh my god.
and leave it there so that when he came back, the sandwiches were still warm.
Oh my god. Does not sound safe.
Or like tasty. But the plan is to attach this Christmas mod to the grill of the car. Since it comes a little bit unbunched, we're going to bunch them up with zip ties as well. And we're going to trim off any excess, and that's when it'll be done. This operation usually takes about 20-30 minutes. So there's that.
Oh, grr,
Oh,
grr.
she does not know how to roll her R's.
I do know how to roll my R's.
Oh,
Oh, grr,
oh,
grr,
oh,
oh, grr,
oh,
grr.
does not know how to roll it. Oh.
Ew. Ew. Oh my god, what the fuck?
Fucking Chihuahua shit. In the desert, no one remembers your name because tender is unavailable there.
Good thing there's Bumble. Bumble's where you find the bitches. Am I right?
Is this a trick question?
Am I right?
Bumble is where you find the nice ladies. The nice ladies. Come here, I'm gonna cut you.
What the fuck?
Bitch head. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, so first thing I gotta do is loop the zip tie like this. And then I have to grab our victim here.
Oh yeah, choke it. Yeah.
I'll shove it like this. So that means the first zip tie has to go through here and go through these two.
What a mess you're making. This thing's so dead already.
No, they actually stay alive for a long time.
It shouldn't be shedding that many pine needles then.
I know. Oh, this is always a challenge, but I'll get it. Okay.
Leave it on like that. Like that.
You're so funny.
It's special.
Second zip tie. You're special, huh?
I know. My mom tells me that all the time.
Okay, that's the first and second zip ties. Now the next order of business is clamping down.
I wish we were in the sun. It's really cold right now.
Don't be a wuss. Now I just gotta add one more here, and then the rest we just bunch up and we're good.
Why does it need to be bunched up?
Well, look at it. It's not clean.
It's organic and unique.
Yeah, sure.
My hands, even the photo is very cold.
You want gloves?
I'm okay.
I can give you my gloves.
No, I'm okay.
What's wrong? I'm fine.
I'm fine. I'm trying so hard to get a reaction out of you.
We've trimmed off the excess around the bush, as well as the excess zip ties. And this is the result. So there you have it. We are officially ready for Christmas. Festive crash cushion has been installed. Christmas spirit is on the rise. People will be aware what season it is. Would you have any comments to add?
Merry Crisis.
Merry Crisis?
Merry Chrysler.
That's a good one.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Chrysler, everybody. Merry Chrysler.
You wanna let me in your heart.